this video, I'm going to simply show you how you can build an application using Grok. In my previous video, I told you about Grok AI powered chat assistants that can help you build anything, right? I'm going to simply show you how you can build an application. All you need to do is to watch this video down to the very end, because I'm going to simply show you how everything works. So without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing you need to do is simply head over to your browser and then search for Grok right here. Okay, then on this section right here, I've already logged into my Grok and I gave it some prompt right here. So for you to get this prompt, I want you to go ahead and join us on our Patreon. The link is going to be in the description of this video, so you can get all access of this code, right? You can show here we have single page app ideas. If people have your mobile app installed on their phone, then there's no how they can forget about you. Okay, and this is going to simply help you drive traffic. You can show here we have daily task tracker, event counter, this is a fitness goal tracker, we have recipe card generator, and lots more. Okay, so we're going to simply be using Grok to generate the code. We're also going to be using Grok to get the instruction on how to build this application. Okay, so stick with me to the ending part of this very video. The next thing we're going to do right now is simply head over to app creator 24 account. Okay, you can simply click on this create app. Okay, and I just added a section, and this section is just a web address. Just come here, then click on this create section. Okay, so if you click on the HTML here, and it's going to simply prompt you to the HTML editor, and this one is advanced. Okay, just click on this, click on next button, and with this you can only add your HTML script right here. Okay, so what we're going to do right now is simply head back to our Grok AI. Okay, for instance, we're going to simply tell it to generate an app for this to-do list. Then you send it. Okay, it is done. Then scroll up a little bit. This is the preview button. If you click on preview, you're gonna simply see how the app looks like. You can see this is how the app looks like on mobile. This is how it looks like, and it is not really optimized for mobile, and I don't like it. So the app is not really optimized for mobile, so we're gonna simply tell it to okay, so okay, it is done with that. Then click on this preview. You can see it is making sense now. Okay, you can see this is it, and this is the daily tracker for desktop, this is for mobile. You can see everything is now cool. So after generating that, the next thing we have to do is simply copy this. All right, then come back to your app creator right here, click on create new section. I'm going to simply select HTML, then go to the advanced, click on next. I'm going to add the name of this title, this section rather. Then let's say to-do list. All right, delete this, paste the app here. All right, then click on this save button. You can see two sections has been added, and another thing we have to do is to simply come back here, then select quote of the day. Is done. Then scroll up a little bit, click on this preview section. Let's see how it is going to simply look like. If it is not mobile friendly, we're going to simply leave it. Okay, then this is okay. Then you can see quote of the day, you are never too old, blah blah blah. If you click on new, then another new quote will come up, another new quote will come up, new quote will continue to come up. All right, so but this is what I want from this app. And no more quote of the day. People would like to copy this code. All right, some people would like to copy this quote, so I want to add copy button, or maybe a save button. Maybe they can save it, like if they don't want to lose the previous post that came in, they can save it in the application, and if they want to copy, they can copy. All right, so let's go ahead and tell it to add that for us. and also add a save button to that. Okay, and if possible they can add a share button where people can easily share it to their WhatsApp and all of that. Okay, so this is going to simply help people to get engaged with your app. Okay, then this is value we are offering to them. It is done. Scroll up a little bit, click on this preview, and this is okay for now. You can see the quote, you can see new quote, you can see copy quote, you can see save quote, you can see share button. All right, click on copy, go back to our app, click on this section, click on next. All right, then remove this and paste the new code. Okay, then add quotes, and click on save. And we've already added two different sections, and another to go to simply do right now is simply go ahead and pick another app idea. All right, so I'm going to simply tell it to add this one. All right, so it is done generating this app. Then click on this preview button. Okay, online business idea validator. You go ahead and copy this. All right, then come back to your app, click on this, select this and this, click on next. All right, paste it here, click on validator, click on save. All right, so another thing I'm going to simply do right now is simply make sure I convert this validator to a business generator. Okay, so let's say I want to go back here, copy this, all right, so it is done generating the final application. So we're going to try to now simply go ahead and preview it. You can see online business idea generator. Click on this copy button, go to your app, go to HTML, click on this and click on next button. Okay, so this is the final one we're going to add. Then click on this save button. You can see right, we have this and this. Okay, on this mobile app, 1 2 3 4 5 sections. All right, then for the menu type, this is important. You have to select the type of menu you want for this app. Okay, so for instance, this is the top menu that is automatically selected, and this is side menu, and this is table menu. All right, and this is an app without a menu. So let's select this, which is this, and let's say we want it to be for the general, and I think I like this one. Under that, you're going to simply see the title, then save it. Another thing we're going to simply add now is the advertisement section. Okay, then come here, then click on this ad section. For instance, if you have multiple ad network you want to monetize your app with, go ahead and copy that, then paste them here. Okay, go ahead and click on this save button. All right, so right now I'm going to simply go ahead and download this from my mobile phone and check out how this app looks like on our mobile phone. All right, and see the menus right here side, and these are the to-do list. Then this is business idea generator. If you come to business idea generator, you can simply come here. What's your budget range? Let's select this. How much time are you willing to put in? Less than 5 hours. Nobody wants to stress his or herself. Then select this and select this, then click on generate button. You can see right here the ideas has been generated for me. Then you can save this idea on your mobile phone. All right, you can see right here it has been saved on the mobile app, and you can as well copy this. All right, so it has been copied. You can share it to your friends. Maybe you want to generate another one, just come back to the application. All right, and when you come back here, the idea you generated will still be here. Okay, let's check out other ones. If you come here, you can see to-do list. Go back from this section. This is to-do list, and if you simply click on this high, okay, let's say yoga, then click on add, you can see it has been added. If you come back here, quote of the day, this is the most interesting one. You can see this is quote of the day. You can see new quotes. You can save it. It has been saved already. The only limit, which is this one right here, you can see here, and you can simply go ahead and copy it. All right, so this is basically how the app works, and this app we built it with Grok. If you want to download this app, I'm going to simply drop the link. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated. See you in the next one.